Hello friends, how are you? Listen, today topic is the Zoom meeting and Zoom application, or you call the Zoom application. Zoom application is required for the online meetings or interview. So that is a very good application, and so I will explain you about that one. This all things, okay? So let's go and we'll see how to do this all things, okay? So first of all, we need to install the Zoom application, which one I already installed is here. And before already I login, so I will do the sign out. For this one, if once you install the Zoom application, after that you have required the email ID, okay? You have required email ID and password. So what you will do, once you open the Zoom application, you can put your email ID. This is my email address, saralam4746@gmail.com. After that, what you will do, you put in the password. Then what you will do, sign in. See, once you do the sign in, this type of interference is open. Here the new meeting, once you click there in the new meeting will start suddenly, okay? This join is for someone is getting giving the link, so you can just put it here in join, and I will explain about this one also, okay? Schedule, you can fix the schedule, supposedly tomorrow or day after tomorrow or any particular time you are going for the schedule the meeting, so that time you can fix the meeting. At that time the meeting will start and participant will join. You can able to share here the screen. And main thing is the, what is happening once the any participants is going to join the meeting. So main problem is happening the voice. The voice, sometimes voice is not coming. So what we'll do here, you'll go to the audio and check test, check speaker. So your sound is coming something like tung 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 tung, say like that, whatever is setting there, so the sound is coming like that. After that, it means you can able to hear the speaker voice. Second thing is mic. So you can click here, you see the microphone, you can click here. So whatever you can speak, you can click here. So whatever you can speak, you can hear it, okay? So your mic and the speaker both are the good. After that, what you will do, you can go for the, simply you are going for the conducting the meeting, okay? So you go here, the new meeting, click here. Just a few minutes once, sorry, okay. Okay, so you can already you click here meeting. And after that, what we will do, if you are going to send it the link, just to go here participant, see here the you can mute yourself and you can unmute. Second is the stop your video here like that, and again you click, it will be showing your face. This is the security, and this one have no required. This is the main thing. If you are going to invite anyone, just you click here, okay? And here is two option is coming, invite and the mute all. So click here in invite. See here the two option is coming, copy link, copy invite link. Second is the copy invitation. So both are the almost same, okay? Just copy the link, okay? And go to your WhatsApp page. Suppose my WhatsApp page, I will open my WhatsApp page. Just okay, just a few minutes, okay, 1 minute. um, okay, just to go on there, already I copy and here I paste it. See here the Zoom meeting, join meeting, and the meeting ID and meeting password is coming. So then what will do, the participant what will do is going to that the that copy the link and going to the join. So suppose my phone is here, I'm going to join it, okay? Just 1 minute, I will show you. So I will go and copy the link from there. Sister Sajid, okay, the link number is this one. So what we'll do, we'll go here, the already open the participant the um, Zoom ID, and I will go and copy from there link ID already copy, and I will paste it here. Okay, and do the join. Okay, see, it will coming like that. Otherwise we do one thing, like that. I will go here, join meeting. See, I will go here, so I will click the join meeting, and put the email address. Sorry. Okay, so already I put it the meeting ID number. Now he asking about the meeting password. See, the meeting password is asking, so I will put the meeting password 5M 55A. See, uh, see the Abdul Qadir now is accepted. It means me myself. Okay, it's accepted. If you see this one, it will showing the uh, his view is coming, and main thing is the speaker is going to hear on the cellular data join audio. So I'll click here, join audio. Okay, join audio will go there, and after that see Abdul Qadir is coming like that. Okay, so just already invited. Supposedly if you want to share, the screen, the two participant is showing. If you want to share more, so you can share it same like that. After that, what if you want to chat here, you can type sorry, hi Abdul, like that. Okay, so and if you want to send the emoji, so you can send here like that emoji or anything you can do. Okay, third things what we'll do, see, because my face is going on like that, so I will do like this. Okay, third things what we'll do, you can, if you want to record, you can
Recording in progress.
recording process is coming. If you want to stop, just you click here,
Recording stopped.
it will stop. Okay, if you want to share the screen, okay, your screen, so easily you can share the screen. Just go to here, share, and share in. Now the screen is going to the share. Suppose now I open the Bihar Sanyukt Pravesh Prajakti Pariksha, like that. Okay, because my brother result is going to come to this, that's why actually I open this one. Okay, so you can share that like that the screen, and see here you can arrange the participant like this, depend upon you, like that. Okay, it's depend upon you. Okay, so see, after that if you want to stop the sharing, you can, if you want to write anything, you can write, you can see, you can so like that, you can highlight everything, you can do the circle. If you want to delete, you can do it. If you want to do a stop, you can stop it. Okay, so this is the very easy and very good for the interview. uh, I hope you understand. If you have any doubt or any question, you can ask me. Thank you so much.